What's up, guys? So I've got a little unboxing for you. Technically it's already been unboxed, the wrapper's been taken off, but I have yet to open them up. And as you can see, I've got Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes and Metal Gear Solid 5 The Phantom Pain, which put these two together, and you've got the Metal Gear Solid the Definitive Edition. So let's go ahead and jump into it and see what's inside. And there they are, got them all open. As you can see, it comes with a little bit of paperwork that's got some kind of code or something that'll give you some downloadable content for this game, as well as this game comes with some codes to get some unlockable content, because it's the day one edition, and because it's a 360 version, it comes with 2 discs. One disc to download the software that you need, and the other disc for the game, and vice versa, except all of it's built in with this game, the install data and the game itself. But yeah, that is Metal Gear Solid 5 Ground Zeroes and Metal Gear Solid 5 The Phantom Pain, and all together they are the Metal Gear Solid 5 Definitive Edition, which you can actually buy that all together on the new consoles, Xbox One and PlayStation 4. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick look. This is like one of my most favorite game series ever. And if you are familiar with Metal Gear Solid 3 Snake Eater and Metal Gear Solid Peace Walker, and you've played those games, then you'd be ready to play this story right here. And it's the story of Naked Snake, aka Big Boss. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me a comment below. What's your favorite Metal Gear Solid game of all time? And don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Alright guys, I'm out of here. Peace.